Thinking about upgrading your TV? The Tcl Qm8 75-inch is packed with features, but there are a few surprising drawbacks you need to know about before you decide. Stick around to find out. The Tcl Qm8 boasts a sleek, ultra-modern design with almost invisible bezels, giving it a clean and sophisticated look. The brushed metal finish adds a premium touch, while its slim profile ensures it will dominate your living room space. Despite its size, the build feels sturdy, and the attention to detail in its minimalist aesthetics is hard to ignore. But how does it compare to pricier models from brands like Samsung or LG in terms of build quality? If you're all about first impressions, this TV is sure to leave you impressed. Looking for deals? Check out the Amazon link in the video description for the latest offers. The Tcl Qm8's display is a standout feature, powered by cutting-edge QD Mini LED technology. This allows for over 2,000 local dimming zones, delivering unmatched brightness levels and contrast that rivals OLED TVs. You'll notice deep blacks and stunningly vibrant colors, making it ideal for both movies and gaming. It supports a wide range of HDR formats like Dolby Vision and HDR10+, ensuring you get true-to-life visuals whether you're streaming or playing UHD Blu-rays. With peak brightness levels hitting 2000 nits, it excels in well-lit environments, maintaining clarity even under bright daylight. Gamers will love the 120Hz refresh rate, which goes up to 144Hz with variable refresh rate support, ensuring smooth and tear-free gameplay. However, is its picture quality versatile enough to make you forget about OLED's unmatched viewing angles and shadow details? Love this content? Hit the subscribe button for more honest and in-depth reviews. Audio on the Tcl Qm8 takes a significant leap forward with its built-in Onkyo 2.1.2 channel system. Unlike standard TV speakers, this setup includes up-firing drivers to deliver an immersive Dolby Atmos experience. The sound is rich, with a well-balanced mix of deep bass and crisp highs. For most casual viewers, the audio quality is good enough to eliminate the immediate need for a soundbar, but audiophiles might notice that. While the system delivers spatial depth, it still lacks the punch and clarity of high-end standalone sound systems. So if you're planning to use this TV in a large room, pairing it with a dedicated sound system might be worth considering for that true cinematic feel. What's your take on built-in speakers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. The Tcl Qm8 runs on Google TV, offering one of the most polished and responsive smart platforms in its class. Its interface is intuitive and well-organized, making it easy to switch between streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube. You can also integrate live TV and personal media libraries seamlessly. Voice control is a breeze with Google Assistant and Alexa, letting you search for content, adjust settings, or even control smart home devices without reaching for the remote. Speaking of the remote, it's compact and user-friendly, with dedicated buttons for popular streaming services. But how does it stack up against the competition? While the platform is smooth, some users might miss the sheer customization options found in Roku or Samsung's Tizen OS. If this breakdown was helpful, show some love by liking the video. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the Tcl Qm8. Cons: colors may appear slightly warm out of the box, requiring calibration. Slight light blooming in high contrast scenes. Narrower viewing angles compared to OLED panels. Pros: exceptionally bright display with 2000 nits peak brightness. Outstanding contrast with deep blacks and vivid colors. Comprehensive gaming features, including 144Hz refresh rate and VRR. Wide HDR format support for enhanced visual fidelity. Built-in voice assistance for hands-free control. If you're intrigued by the Tcl Qm8 75-inch, make sure to check out the Amazon link in the description for the best deals. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. Like the video if you found it helpful, and let us know in the comments, would you pick this TV for your home setup? Thanks for watching.